Hey family, how are you?
We will always be a family. What you see is how it's meant to be. We stay together, you were made for me. And I'm so happy that we came to be.
I look crazy, I know. For a really long time, I've wanted like a little vanity area, like a little hair. I don't really do makeup, but makeup area. But as we all know, I live in a walk-in closet, so I don't have space for anything, to do anything. So this is gonna be a quick DIY little vanity makeup area. I'm gonna try. I have a vision in my head. This is very inexpensive because I don't have coins. So this was like under $60. A lot of the items I already owned, and I'm pretty sure you guys probably already own as well. So it's gonna be super simple. I have a tiny little small tiny space that I'm gonna try and make it work. Really quickly, I'm gonna show you the space. I'm gonna show you the items that I'll be using, and we're gonna try to put it together. I have the girls in the background touching everything.
No.
Don't just throw stuff. You're putting stuff in order, but don't confuse it.
Is this yours?
That's Makayla's.
This is the aim.
Yeah, I bought you girls that for school. Do you like it? Let me see.
Yeah.
Let me show them real quick what I got you guys.
This one?
Let me show them.
Actually,
You could break
No,
this,
I
Faith.
want
Don't
the
throw
blue.
it.
My favorite color.
Faith
is
gets
blue.
the blue.
Yeah.
So I picked up the girls these bowls. They had some bowls off Amazon. I will never pay that much for bowls again with these girls. It's either they're losing them. Faith loves to leave food in hers and leave it in her book bag.
Yeah.
So I'm not doing it.
And we have different colors. This one is Faith.
These were only $5. So I'll put like a salad, some fruit,
This one is
chips, and whatever else they want in here. And
That's Faith.
yeah, make them like some little cut-up sandwiches, some cucumbers, some plenty ideas you can do with this. And this has 4 spaces, and I purchased 3 of these, and as I said, they were only $4.99. But back to what we was doing. Let's get this done. I'm gonna show you guys the things I have, and hopefully this turns out good. Hopefully. Let's cross our fingers. Come on, let's build a vanity area. Oh, let me show you the small space I'm working with. So I'm gonna be using this table and this chair. Yes, this little tiny TV dinner table. I don't even know what they call it. And this chair, I already had that. I'm gonna be using this pillow. This pillow was on sale for $12. I already had all those items. I'm gonna be using these little storage bins, which I feel like I could have got for cheaper, but $4.99. I'm gonna be using this paper, wallpaper, and this was $3.99. And I'm gonna be using these are bath baskets, and these were $1.99 a piece. And I'm also gonna be showing you guys how to make your own DIY ring light. And this is only a $10 DIY ring light. I also got this mirror from Home Depot, and this mirror was on sale online, and I got this for $16. And I'm going to try my best to put this mirror up on the wall. I also have this white rug that I already had. Although I am absolutely in love with the space, I do feel like I need a bigger table. When I get the money to purchase a bigger table, I am definitely going to do that. And I want to purchase a more comfortable chair. And I also want to put some of the bulb lights at the top. But that's when I get the money. For now, I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed our little DIY project. I did the best I could do. I enjoyed it. I like it. It's not the best, but it's mine, so that makes it perfect. Next, we're going to talk about a DIY ring light, if you want to call it a ring light. Me, in my personal opinion, it is better than a ring light, because you know how when some people have the ring light, you actually see the ring light in their eyes as they're recording, and ring lights are like $100 and something. This is my ring light, and this only cost me like $8, and it works amazing. I believe they call these construction lights. I've had this ever since I started YouTube, and this is what I use. Do I plan on purchasing a ring light? I guess. I don't know, because I feel like I don't need it, because this works just fine for me. And yeah, it's a construction light, and it's a light bulb. Let me show you. This is our DIY ring light. It is this little aluminum construction lamp, and these are like $8, some places $6. And as you can see, it's all about the light bulb you use inside. Don't use the foggy light bulbs, use the clear ones, the ones that says daylight. And I believe this one is 72 watts. This is the light that I always like to use. I get this from my local discount store, and this is $1.59. Let me show you the difference. Let's say you're recording at night. I don't know about your home, but my home has really bad lighting. This is the most light you're gonna get when you're recording at night. Of course, we wouldn't need this light if we was recording in the daytime with this sunlight, but when you have 50,000 kids like me, that's not always the case. So here is how it looks before the light, and this is how it looks after our DIY ring light. And this is perfect for me. Also, let me record so you can see the difference. Also, I want to show you the difference with us recording without the light and with the light. This is how it will look when it's dark outside with just my room lighting, and this is how it looks with that lighting on. Of course, you can make it dimmer. You can make it lighter. You can always adjust the way you want the light to be on you by simply just adjusting it. And what makes it even more convenient is it can cling onto anything. It clips anywhere. So it's much more convenient to me than having that big old ring light that you got to take anywhere. And it's much more cheap. My type of talk. Affordable. Up my alley. So I hope you guys like these little DIYs. I hope this helps some. And one day I'll have my dream home where I'll have enough space, and I'll have 15 ring lights, soft lights, box lights, all this good stuff. But for now, I'm humbly grateful for everything that God has blessed me with. And you know, we're gonna always make it do what it do. Enjoyed this video, just leave in the comment section down below. Let me know some tips and tricks that you may have, any way I could tweak it, something I could do different. Whatever little DIYs you got that's nice and affordable, let me know, because I'm always open to suggestions. As always, thank you so much for watching, family, and until next time.